In our next scenario, our club has decided to score via the scorebook and enter the scores into game day after the completion of the day's play. So what you do is you jump into the admin portal, you click on game day, you put in the date in which the game took part, and it'll give you a list of games that were played that day. You simply need to click on details to enter the game, and you should be able to start entering the details from there. So we can put in the box score here, or the summary score, depending on what you would like to call it. And here we can see where we can start editing our scores. So we can put in this person went out, the runs, balls faced if we want, 4s and 6s if we want as well, and how they went out. There's no extras, and we can also enter in full of wickets if we like as well. We can also put in bowlers information. And update the changes. Now, one thing to remember is you can always flick between the two different endings there and enter the details that way. Some associations will only let you do your team's statistics, and if that is something you want to change, you will need to speak to your association to change that ruling. Once completed, click done, and you'll see the scores there. Now, if this was a 2-day game that was being scored by the scorebook, you will be prompted with a pop-up window that asks if this game is still in progress. If it is, simply say yes. If it is being completed, you obviously then proceed that way as well. So you've got two options there.